In the crypto markets, if you think that the real people who actually make money are the ones who hold the tokens for a very long time, then you're probably wrong because the most amount of money is made through bots. Let me explain in this entire video and how you can set up your own sniping bot. Now, just recently we saw Trump coin being launched, and I was one of those few people who did not buy the token directly, but instead I saw the massive increase of volume in that currency. There were a lot of people who were trying to buy the Trump coin and were failing miserably because of high gas fees, very high slippage, so on and so forth, and because of so much high volatility in the market. But in such a scenario, the best way to make money is not by buying the token. You might see a 10x, 20x increase in the token's price, but that's not enough. What is the real way that people actually make money? They make it using different bots that they code it out. Now, in this particular video, I will be talking about a specific platform that I used in order to create my own bots without coding anything at all. This is so simple that you can do the entire thing on your mobile device as well. You don't even need a laptop for it. And everything that we'll be doing will just be limited to Telegram itself. We won't be using any other app for it. It's so simple to use that it will change the way how people use crypto from now onwards. So in this video, we will be talking about how to buy cryptocurrencies, how to sell them. That's the most basic things. The third thing is creating sniping bots, and I'll talk about what it is exactly and how you can make profit out of these bots. The fourth thing that we'll talk about is creating your own wallet. We'll also talk about creating EVM bots and other types of things as well. There is also a section where I'll talk about how to do copy trading of the best crypto traders in the market, so you don't have to think about which crypto coin to invest next, and everything can be done automatically. This is a great tool for people who do not have time for keeping up with the news in the crypto market, and everything is done on an automated basis for you. So in order to start, just click on the link that I'll provide in the pinned comments as well as in the description. It will take you to a bot on Telegram. If you haven't installed Telegram, install it right now, make an account, and then let's start with the video. So once you start, you'd be prompted with either creating the wallet, or you can even import a Solana wallet of your choice. All of the things that we'll be doing over here will be done on Solana blockchain itself. So because I want to create a wallet from scratch, I do not have a wallet already. So let me just select create wallet. After that, you'll be given a unique wallet address that you can use in order to deposit your funds and do all of the things that we'll be doing throughout this video. How do you deposit Solana over here? Well, it's as simple as just buying it on a centralized exchange like Binance and then withdrawing it to the wallet address provided in the bot itself. So let me just copy the wallet address. I need to deposit some funds, so I'll transfer it from my Phantom wallet, and there you go. I have deposited some funds over here. After that, you will see a bunch of options. First and foremost is buy. So you can actually buy any token on the Solana blockchain. You just have to paste the token's contract address and then select the amount of tokens that you want to buy. Apart from this, we have the selling option where you can just sell the tokens that you already own in your wallet. After that, just like any other wallet, you have your assets section where you can see all the tokens that you own in that particular wallet. Now comes the interesting part, and here we will be talking about sniping. This is where we will be creating a sniper bot in order to make money for us automatically. The way it functions is you have to provide a token's contract address that you want to track. It works best with tokens that have very high volatility and a high trading volume. Sniping is essentially a method to execute your trades at a much faster rate than anyone else. So say for example, if a new token is launched like the Trump token, you can essentially snipe that token and buy many tokens at once in very large quantities. This way, the moment someone else purchases your token, you can sell it the very next second and make profits out of it. Even when I launched my own crypto token called Trollface Coin, the first thing that we saw was a lot of bots were trying to snipe my token and buy it in excessive amounts so that anyone else who buys it after them, they can just sell it later at a much higher profit. Previously, it was very tough to create sniper bots. You had to write entire lines of code in order to do this, And I've actually done that, so I know the pain it takes for developers like us to create an entire sniper bot from scratch. But here AngryBot does it within just one click of a button. After you select the sniping option, you can enter the token contract address that you want to snipe. So say for example, if we look at Trump coin, there is the contract address of it, and we'll just paste it over here because it has very high volatility right now. Generally this is done so that you can buy that token at a much favorable price than others. And well, it is as simple as that. Now your sniper bot will automatically start running and do all of the trades for you. After that, let's talk about the next option, which is copy trading. It is as the name suggests, you can copy the trades of any wallet of your choice. Say for example, you find the wallet address of any of the top personalities like Elon Musk, Trump, or even any other influencer. You know for sure that whatever token that they invest into will actually pump up in value by quite a lot of margin because they hold such a great influence. So what you can do is essentially copy all of their trades before anyone else. So as soon as they buy a token, your copy trading bot will buy it immediately. This way you can buy tokens before anyone else even talks about it. Apart from that, AngryBot also provides you with signals. Yes, you can actually get great crypto signals directly on Telegram using AngryBot itself. Of course, you should do your own research before investing, but this is a great tool to help you understand and look at new tokens that are being launched in the market. Also, one more thing is that these signals are so good that when I wanted to get into the Trump coin or the Melina coin and all of these coins that are being launched at a very early stage right now, it's essential that you stay up to date with the market when everyone else is sleeping. I was up there looking at these signals and getting in on them. So how do you make sure that you get in on these coins early? Well, keep up with the signals. So there are signals that AngryBot has. You can check the description box as well as in the pinned comments. You can check the signals out and stay up to date with the crypto markets before everyone else. Now, of course, before investing, just make sure that you do your own research, but this is a great tool in order to analyze the markets beforehand. Apart from this, AngryBot also gives you the option of creating EVM bots. EVM basically stands for Ethereum Virtual Machine. So now you can create your own bots not only on Solana, but also on Ethereum based virtual machines like Binance, Polygon, Arbitrum, and so on and so forth. So AngryBot, it essentially provides you the complete suite in order to start trading in cryptocurrencies the right way. Right from creating your own wallet to getting signals of the latest cryptocurrencies being launched in the market, as well as creating your own bots not only on Solana but also on EVM based blockchains. So if you want to use the platform, just click the link in my description as well as in the pinned comments, and I'll see you in the next bull run.